Renee's road stop workout. If you are a beginner, watch today. If you are a pro, watch Monique.
Whatever.
Let's go. First, you want to go to your toes, and again, and again, and one more time. Now go to the side. One more time, and again. One more time. Now let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding, 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 ding. Stop! I lost my contact. Found it. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. And then you want to do some of these. You really got to get flexible with this. You want to get some of those in there, some of these in there, some roundhouse. You wanna just work it out. Just work it out. Do some cha-cha. Little ooh. Work it out. Work it out. Get all the jitters out. All the jitters. Touch your toes again. All the way down. No pussy stuff.